In this video, you'll learn how to switch to dark mode in ElevenLabs. By following these steps, you will be able to customize your viewing experience to reduce eye strain and enhance focus during your work sessions. Begin by navigating to your ElevenLabs dashboard using your preferred web browser. Ensure you are logged into your account to have full access to the features available on the site. Once the dashboard is fully loaded, you will see various options and metrics related to your projects. Next, locate your account or profile menu. This is typically found in the bottom left corner of the screen, represented by your name or a workspace icon. In some cases, it may also be positioned in the upper right corner. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu of various account settings. After accessing the account menu, look for the option labeled Theme or Appearance. This section allows you to customize the visual settings of your dashboard. If the option is present, you will see a selection for different themes available for use. Select Dark from the available options to switch to dark mode. Once you make this selection, the interface will change immediately, providing a darker background and lighter text. This adjustment helps in reducing glare and can make it easier on your eyes, especially in low light environments. If you do not see the theme toggle in the menu, this could be due to recent changes in the user interface. In this case, carefully check your workspace or profile menu again to ensure you have not overlooked the option. The placement of the theme toggle may vary based on UI updates, so thorough exploration is necessary. As an alternative, if the built-in dark mode option is not visible, consider using third-party dark mode browser extensions. These extensions can force a dark theme across websites, including ElevenLabs. However, use these cautiously, as they are not officially supported and may affect your browsing experience in unexpected ways. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.